JJ.A.C Tech Channel. TP-Link TL-WR820N, 300 MBPS multi-mode Wi-Fi router, unboxing and demonstration. 300 Mbps Wi-Fi speed is ideal for daily tasks. IPTV supports IGMP proxy, snooping, bridge, and tag VLAN to optimize IPTV streaming. The guest network provides separate access for guests while securing the host network. Parental controls manage when and how connected devices can access the internet. SPI firewalls and wireless encryption protect your home network. Compatible with IPv6. Package contents: installation guide, LAN cable, 5V DC power adapter, TL-WR820N unit. Multi-mode, 4-in-1. Router mode, access point mode, range extender mode, WISP mode. Remember to subscribe, like and share. Thanks for watching.